Blazers.
Yes. We keep mentioning that. But pag nandiyan si Navarro and Panaga, that's a very solid front line.
Ella De Jesus, first time to play this conference for Ateneo. Borrero going to Navarro. Cross-court cover by De Jesus. From the back. Wow, what an angle coming from Alyssa Valdez.
And how she managed. Ang layo hinabol niya and how she managed to get it to that corner. Wow. You know, she ain't the phenom for nothing.
That's superior control for Alyssa Valdez. Now look at the sequence once again. Tignan mo yung angulo. And against a single blocker, nahihirapan talagang ma-check doon si Alyssa Valdez.
Saka alam mo, galit na si Alyssa.
Ay, oo, tumingiti-ngiti lang yan, pero mainit na yan. Kim Gikeliana for Ateneo. Josh at the net. Maraginat beaten by Borrero.
Again, I always say, you know, it's hard to joust against a setter no matter how small they are because ang upper body strength nila kakaiba.
Parang mga semento, mga baraso niyan, no rin.
Exactly.
Katotos man naman eh, di ba? Lagi nakakontract. Panaga, going long. Tan. Tumabaya, goes still alive. Free ball. Tan once again to Maraginot. Oh, the tip. Maraginot once again. Getting better. Getting more confident.
That's right, and they've already erected an 8-point lead. And that's a good sign really for Coach Ty. Maraginot parang getting her game slowly but surely getting her game back.
Alyssa Valdez communicating with Coach Ty Bundit. Borrero dumped. And look at the scrappy play of Giselle Tan. Valdez pumalo pa rin. Maski pabagsak na. Tan, inangat yung bola para kay Alyssa.
And just like that, Ateneo is a different team. No, that's the Ateneo that we know.
Ultra Fast Fight is brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra. The Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family.
And substitutions galore for College of St. Benil. Coach Mario Carino trying to find a right combination here in the third set as he can sense Ateneo's dominance.
This is danger para sa Blazers. Dito sa third set, tatangin si Navarro, si Panaga at si Enclona na lang ang natira. From the starting six ng Blazers, Ateneo was overwhelmed, outclassed in the second set. And they are returning the favor. Evidently, dito sa ating third set. 14-4. Sa ating third set, Maraginot. Service error.
Well, again, you know, Ateneo blocking better here in the third
Moving
set. Moving better.
Yun na yun eh. Dahil nakakagalaw sila ng mas maayos yung floor defense nila. Talagang pinarusahan ng gusto ng Blazers in the first two sets. Tan, ginawa ng paraan. The Blazers, once again, ang kanilang depensa ay may meltdown tayong nakikita.
Yeah, you're right. Because in the first two sets, we saw excellent floor defense.
Grabe yan.
Oo.
Kaya nakaka-atake sila, di ba?
Exactly. Pero ngayon, parang, yun na nga, I said earlier, they're feeling more pressure than Ateneo, who's down two sets.
Another free ball for the Blazers. Tan. Going to De Leon. Good save by the Blazers. Borrero. Pinatit. Kay Navarro. At Gikeliana just could not keep that ball in play. 6 points Blazers, 15 for Ateneo.
Strict ang ating second
Importante
referee.
talaga yan. And that is what the international competition has given ang ating local flavor. At ito ang isa sa mga key scorers para dito sa koponan ng Blazers. Late entry,
Si
Rania Musa.
That's right.
For the Blazers. From the back, Maraginot. Napakalutong na palo coming from Joanna Maraginot. And Ateneo, after being on top 8-2 in the first technical timeout, will still be ahead 16-6 sa ating second technical timeout. League, abangan po bukas, Linggo, 12:45 p.m. UP Diliman versus FEU Lady Tamaraws. At
Oh.
ito, abangan ngayon ang Ultra Family Fun. Ang Ultra Fun Family of the Game mula sa Rosario, Batangas. Alae, welcome kay Frischel, Fanny, Philbert. At ikaw nga magbanggit
Ish.
ito.
Ish.
Ish. Alright.
Spelled as Y-S-H.
S-H-E. Kaya kasi basa ko, shh.
Silent Y. Pwede.
Di ba yung iba ganon? Sila silent Y
Pakashe,
nila.
pakashe.
Okay. Magtibay family. At ito, ang tibay ng Ateneo sa third set. Ang ating dalawang sets ay napunta sa kupunan ng Blazers. First set, 25-23. Second set, 25-18. Third set, Eliza Valdez and the Lady Eagles soaring high.
Yeah, Eliza Valdez. You know, this is her time, really, to carry her team if they want to win this game, come back and force it into a fifth set.
The official ball of the shake is V-League. For as long as they protect an immaculate slate, walang problema yan for the Lady Eagles. Gusto lang nila makalusot laban sa hamon ng mga Berde mula sa Blazers. Good save by Borrero. That's way out of control para dito sa Blazers. 18-7 for the Lady Eagles. Third set.
But you can sense really that Coach Michael Carino, wala, ito na yung magtatapos ng third set because of all his substitutions. He can't bring back his first six.
Puro free ball lang nakikita natin dito sa
Oo.
Blazers at attack errors. Para sa Ateneo, this is the Lady Eagles at their best na rin.
Well, at their best at least in this match.
Best set so far for the Lady Eagles. Kaya 12 ang kanilang abante laban dito sa Blazers.
Diba? Subukan muna natin maglaro. Laruin muna natin. Kunin muna natin yung ano natin, tempo natin. Diba? Kaya naman natin makipagsabay. Doon natin galing tayo sa pahinga, galing tayo sa labas. Kapag natin, dapat agresibo tayo. Dapat gusto natin makatulong. Hindi ganyan. Ang contribution naman. Diba? Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Paangatin ulit natin yung score. Paangatin.
If you took a look at the second set, and then you're watching this third set, it's a contrast of night and day. We talk about the performance of the Blazers and of course, the Lady Eagles. And Giselle Tan has been in superior control dito sa laro ng Ateneo. Pero kailangan natin bigyan pansin na yung depensa ng Lady Eagles has become a ton better dito sa ating third set.
And I'm sure, you know, if we look at the stats later on, Ateneo has minimized their errors here in this third set.
Para sa Blazers, gusto lang nilang bawasan ang kalamangan dito ng Eagles. Navarro faking as Ateneo lets that ball way too long.
Si Coach Michael Carino,
Natawa.
tumatawa pa rin, you can see there. Tumatawa pa
That is
siya.
not disrespect. Natawa lang siya ron sa antics ni Jenny Navarro. Ultra fast LTE for happy family.
Oh.
With speeds up to 10 Mbps. Monthly internet for slow. Mas 999. Pero yan, di na nakakatawa yan. No rin dahil 12 na itong lamang ng Ateneo, 28.
That's right. And Ateneo playing very well. Bea De Leon. It's a good set for her.
That's in. That's a nice birthday gift for Bea Del.
Kala na natin na out.
Sabay-sabay tayo, no?
Oh, nga, because the lines went
Nahulog,
in.
kiss the line. We haven't seen Ani Ahumiro dito sa ating third set. But still, this lineup of Coach Tai Bundit has delivered for the Lady Eagles. Kaninong bola dapat yun? Sorry. Yung Clona dapat, di ba?
Yes. And Clona, pag nag-cross yung teammate mo, alam mo, nadala na lang siya ng siguro ng float eh. Parang, but yeah, it's in Clona's
Eh, kasi
ball.
parang zipper yung serve ni Bea eh.
Exactly.
Parang may pakpak ng tutumi eh. Yan na naman. Kala mo, dadali niya sa kabila eh, no? Panaga makes her re-entry. Panaga commits another infraction. And the body language says it all para dito sa Vinyl Blazers. Suddenly, they crumbled amidst this uprising coming from the Lady Eagles. Ateneo 15 points ahead and only 2 points away from winning their first set of this match.
That's right, Ateneo. What a time for them to bounce back. We are already, well, technically looking at a fourth set. Yep, we are looking at a fourth set. 24 ready for Ateneo.
16 set points for the Lady Eagles. And you can bet that Coach Matt is already thinking about the upcoming fourth set.
Yeah, and his challenge actually is which six to put in. You know, he put in a great six for the first two sets. Miscue. But you use the third set and then going to the fourth set. Which six will I put in?
And that will be the question that he has to answer in the next 3 minutes. Because in the next 3 minutes, we will be coming up with our fourth set. The Benil Blazers on top by a single set as Ateneo comes out firing dito sa ating nakalipas na third set. At this miscue will cost itong Blazers yung huling puntos ng ating pangatlong set. Ateneo prevails 25-8. Kami po'y magbabalik sa ilang saglit.